Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 43 of NEET physics paper 2017. Hello students, let us solve question number 43. The two nearest harmonics of a tube closed at one end and open at other. Open at is written two times. Open at other end are 220 Hertz and 260 Hertz. So the higher harmonics is 260, the lower one is 220. But they are the nearest harmonics, so one after another. And what is the fundamental frequency of the system? This is seeming to be a very interesting question, that if I have a closed organ pipe, I know that the antinode is found here, node is found here, fixed end, and this length of the tube, L or L say, this accommodates 1/4 of the wavelength, because node and antinode distance is lambda by 4, and the frequency of this closed end, fundamental frequency, this is the fundamental mode of vibration. The fundamental frequency is given by the velocity of sound divided by the wavelength, which is 4L. So this is the fundamental frequency in case of closed tube. This is the fundamental frequency in case of closed tube. So I have got that fundamental frequency is V over 4L. Okay. So fundamental frequency I have got V over 4L. Now what is given is that this is the general thing, and what is given is that I have got 220 Hertz and 260 Hertz harmonics, and they are one after another. One after another is that we know that in case of a closed tube, the fundamental frequencies, we know the frequency that we get in case of closed tube is that it is Fc is the fundamental, then next is 3Fc, the next one is 5Fc. So the frequencies are odd multiples of fundamentals that are actually present. So the even harmonics are absent and the odd harmonics are present. So this is 1Fc, 3Fc, 5Fc, similarly 7Fc. But out of these two consecutive one actually is having these two frequencies. It might be 3-5, it might be 5-7, but that we don't know whether this number is 3 and this number is 5, or 5-7 or 9-11 or 11-13, that we don't know. But what we know is that the relations between the two consecutive, even this one also, the difference is actually 2 here. The number you can see is, if it is I take 1 here, then this is 3. If I take one as 3, then another is 5. So I don't know the number actually which corresponds to 20 Hertz. If I call that frequency as nth frequency, any nth frequency, then if this represents nth frequency, then this will represent n plus 2 frequency, because this number is 1, then this number is 3. If this number is 3, then this number is 5. So the higher frequency is more by 2. So if I consider, I don't know whether it is 1 or 3 or 5, so I call it n, the next one is n plus 2. then the fundamental frequency is Fc. Fc is always there. So this is the nth harmonic of this one, and this is the n plus 2 harmonic. They are having these values. So if I have these two equations, then I can solve for that. I write NFC equals to 220, and I also have n plus 2 times Fc is 260. I divide these two equations to see what I'll get, because the Fc will cancel, I'll get the value of n. That is what we are interested in. Divide this 2 by 1, what I'll get? This by this. This is n plus 2 divided by 2. This Fc gets cancelled. This is n actually. This is n. This Fc will cancel, and this is 260 over 20. This implies n plus 2 by n equals to 26 over 22. This 0 will also cancel out. This is the equation involving one unknown. So I'll just solve it. N plus 2 divided by n is 26 over 22, that is 13 over 11. If I cross multiply, then I get 11n plus 22 is 13n. This goes to this side, and this is there. So this side it will be 13n minus 11n, which is obviously 2n is 22. So from here n I'll get as 11. That means it was not 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 FC, 11 FC, 13 FC. So this one is actually having this 20. Now after that it's very easy. I want to find the fundamental frequency. What is the fundamental frequency? That means fundamental frequency is this one, in case we're close to. So I'm interested in Fc. As I got the value of n as 11, so I can use any one of the equations to get the value of Fc. Suppose I use equation 1 from equation 1. What was equation 1? It was nFc equals to 220. N is 11, 11 Fc equals to 220. So Fc equals to 220 over 11, which is 20. So the fundamental frequency is 220. So therefore, the answer to this question is option number 2. You can also check the considerations that was given, that nFc should be 220 and n plus 2 Fc should be 260. N is 11, Fc is 20. So you can check here that nFc, n is 11 and Fc is 20, so it comes out to 220. Similarly here you can check n is 11 plus 2 is there, into Fc is 20. This is 13 into 20, it is 260. So these are the two possibilities. This is possible only when the fundamental frequency is 20 and corresponding consecutive frequencies are 220 Hz and 260 Hz. So the answer to this question is 20 Hz. Okay, thank you.